So I think I've just decided that I just don't like camping anymore. Oh, if I can get quite under. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh.
From Edinburgh, I walk to Roslin and I head straight for the chapel. I highly recommend that you walk round towards the back, where you'll be greeted with this view. It's an absolutely stunning sight, and this is the filming location for the Da Vinci Code. I move on and head to Roslin Castle, however, it was under construction. So I continue my walk to go find the Gunpowder Factory, which was a filming location for the TV series Outlander. The Gunpowder Factory can be found in Roslin Glen. Built in the 18th century, it was once one of Scotland's largest gunpowder mills, operating for over 150 years. The factory played a vital role in supplying gunpowder for mining and construction projects across the UK.
So I just followed the map to go down this way, and it was really steep. I went down with my backpack on, using my sticks, and then when I got down there was a sign that said, "This path is closed because of trees that have fallen." And there is a bloody great big tree that has fallen, so there was no way to get through that way. So I've just had to climb back up. Super sweaty now. And it suddenly dawned on me, I was like, it's evening time, I'm alone, backpack, and I'm doing crazy scrambling, so I actually can see it now and it's okay. I'm gonna get to it.
So I think I've just decided that I just don't like camping anymore. So I went to the Gunpowder Factory and there was a spot there, like just before you get to it, where I was like, oh, I could probably camp here. I'll be gone before anyone knows, and it'll be fine. However, there was no signal on my phone, and all I kept thinking is, just people at home are going to be worried. They're not going to know like where I am, blah blah blah. So I decided to like retrace my steps, and ended up back near the castle, and I had like a look around and I was just like, I just can't find anywhere that's kind of really discreet. So in the end I just went, you know what, I'm just gonna risk it. It's like, what time was it? It was like 9 o'clock at night or something. Pitched up. I'm like, at this point I've not had much food. I'd done like nearly 15 miles I think, and I just was exhausted. And I just wanted to eat, lay down, and just get to sleep, basically. And just accepted that I'd be up really early in the morning and just go. Just as I get everything pitched up and getting my bag in the tent, ranger comes out, tells me I have to move, and it's like, okay, yes, I get it, I understand, it's like, rules are rules, but it's just like, I'm not here to have a jolly good time. I just want to sleep. And so I was holding it together pretty well, and then yeah, he just kept talking, and I just was like, I'm tired. I'm hormonal. I'm hungry. I heard someone coming and I was like, oh God, if this is them telling me to move on again, I'm just gonna flip. It was a good job it came at the right time because I was getting emotional again. So yeah, he told me where I could go and where it would be fine and stuff, but it's not ideal. It's like literally right on a path, like a trail path. So like I've just had a dog walker go past just now, and it doesn't really help with your anxiety when you're hearing people like walk about and stuff. And anyway, yeah, he was just like, oh, you could go down to that spot and there you can do fires, and felt like going to, do I look like I am about to start a fire? Do I look like I'm about to sit around it and sing Kumbaya? No, like I've got my backpack and I'm ready to just go to sleep, and I want to be up in the morning and out and heading to people's. So yeah, I'm just so frustrated with myself because, as I said, I'm exhausted, just hungry, just tired, just want to sleep, and this guy's just going on and on and on, and I just couldn't help it. The tears just started coming down, and I was just like, okay, yeah, I'm moving, I'm doing it, and like I'm just trying to like not look like I'm crying. And he just kept talking to me, and I was just like, oh my God, can you not see that I'm just upset right now and I just want to go? So yeah. So that's my little emotional breakdown of the trip. Been rather upbeat so far. This is the frustrating part where it's like I have to definitely start camping more because of the budget. Whereas I'd quite like to just be in a bunkhouse again, to be honest.
So I'm walking on St. Wilfrid's Way, and just right in front of me I saw a horse, but I couldn't see the rider because they were wearing green and they kind of blended into the forest. And I generally was like, oh, this is like my movie moment where the horse has come to tell me everything's okay, it's all good. Because yesterday was not my finest moment when it came to resilience. I think I was just so exhausted and hormonal and hungry. I was hangry. Everything just got a little bit too much for me. But then I did just see a woodland deer and we were like face to face. I think we both just went at each other before it ran off. So I'd say it's a good morning so far. Let's just put tomorrow behind us. Let's put yesterday behind us and just look forward to the present.